This video is for anyone who wants to know if that special person is missing you, but they are trying to hide it for some reason. Now here is the good news, because all will be revealed in their actions. So let's dive into the many signs that your crush will do if they are missing you. They are happy when they see you. If they look overjoyed when they next see you, this is your first big sign that they are missing you when you are not around. You are looking out for that smile that they cannot hide. Their whole body language will completely change. It's as if you literally light them up with joy. They ask you how you are and listen. Don't get this confused with the whole "you alright" comment when you pass someone. If your crush asks how you are and then waits to hear your reply and then ask you what you've been up to since you last saw each other in person, this is your second sign. They contact you when they are drunk. Now, I don't think there's ever been a study to prove this, however, we are going to coin it. So if your crush calls you to talk to you when they are drunk, it's a huge indicator that they do in fact miss you. Because when we are under the influence of alcohol, we can't stop thinking about our crushes. And if they happen to butt dial you by mistake, well, this is still a sign. It means they were on your contact page and looking at the last message that you sent, and then they accidentally hit the call button. They always appear where you are. If they seem to show up at that new movie showing that you didn't think they were really into, and this was after you briefly said that you were going to go check it out at 4 p.m, yeah, this is not a coincidence. Because someone that likes you will try to always be around you. Maybe they even come into your workplace when you are working and they just kind of look at you and it feels a little bit weird. That's your sign. They talk about you to other people. If you find out that they were bringing you up in conversations with other people such as friends or family, this is great news. If this happens, expect the people close to your crush to try to play matchmaker between you both. They ask for selfies or to video call you. Someone that misses us cannot get enough of seeing our faces. So if they ask you to send them pictures, no matter how casual they ask for it, don't ignore it, it's a huge sign. The conversations don't stop. You can expect this person to message you constantly. They will do all they can to stay connected when you guys are apart. So expect long conversations where it feels like they are grasping onto any topic to keep talking with you or to ask to hang out online and play games together. They make a reason to call you. Does not matter how they justify the call, they will try to move from texting over to calling you. So expect to hear the line, "I'm so sorry to call, but I find calling is just a little bit easier than texting." Well played for them, but really you have the upper hand here because they miss you so much that they cannot bear to go without connecting with you any longer, and they want to pick up the phone and hear your lovely voice. They stalk you on social media. Expect them to leave likes and comments on your new uploads. When we fancy someone, come on guys, let's admit it, we check out their social media profiles constantly. So expect them to like that new selfie within hours of uploading it. They go out of their way for you. Expect your crush to make up for lost time when they are not with you. They will call in when they are coincidentally in the area to bring you your favourite coffee or to stop by just to help you out with something, but really it's just so they can spend time with you. They want to make plans to see you again. You can expect your crush to make the most of your time together. They will be suggesting that you guys go out to try out that new restaurant or to visit the new shop that opened up. They will always be trying to plan things to do when you are not together because, well, they can't get enough of you. When it comes to these plans, you may even notice that they suggest to do something that you think, hang on a second, they really do not like crocheting, yet they want to go on a crocheting course with me. And that's because they are trying to do whatever you want to do so that you are happy, so they can tag along and just see you being nice and happy. It's kind of cute. So don't doubt these little tiny things. If they make a willing effort to learn something and spend time with you to focus on your interests, it's a good sign. They do get jealous. They will feel the green eyes of envy if anyone else comments on your selfie. Anyone that is considered a potential threat to the relationship will be under close watch. And you will notice your crush will try to casually ask about this person to find out how much of a threat they really are. They take you up on your recommendations. Did you recommend a new artist for them to listen to or to watch an old film? Well, you can expect them to come back to you later on and tell you their thoughts on your recommendation. A crush will try to get closer to you and explore your interests and likes because they want to connect with you a lot more. They share their life with you. If you ask your crush how their day was, expect them to really tell you every detail, everything that happened. It may appear like nothing on the surface because this is just them talking, but really they are connecting with you on a deep level. They may even share pictures with you of their day, of what they got up to. They contact you for no reason. You can expect your crush to pop up with a, "Hey, how are you?" And that's it. There's no other agenda, there's no requests or questions, it's just that they wanted to connect with you. Trying to get your attention on social media. Does it feel like they posted a status or a picture and it makes you wonder, I'm pretty sure that's about me? And if it is, there's a secret message behind that image or status. There really is. And you know what? They want you to stalk their social media profiles. So expect something eye-catching to get your attention, and then you know that they do miss you. They convince you to get home much quicker. A crush will always find a reason to make you come home quicker. If you are out with your friends, they may say, "Hey, come back and we can play a PlayStation game together." Or they persuade you to work the overtime shift with them just so you guys can hang out more. They deliberately will try to slightly manipulate every situation so that you guys can spend as much time together, whether that's in person or even by texting or even calling each other. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.